You know that moment when you step into your backyard, you look around and think, wow, I should really do something with this space. And then you go back inside and watch YouTube instead? Yeah, that moment. The patchy grass, the empty corners, that one sad plant that's been almost dead for 3 years. And every time you see a beautiful backyard online, you tell yourself, one day. Well, here's the thing. That one day could actually increase your home's value by thousands of dollars, and if you focus on the right upgrades. Not the trendy stuff, not the Pinterest traps, not the projects that look expensive but don't impress buyers. Today, we're talking about 5 landscaping ideas that actually add value to your home, backed by real estate trends and what buyers really pay attention to. I spend way too much time thinking about how to make my backyard look better. If you've got a garden or backyard too, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. Because landscaping isn't just about making things pretty anymore, it's about curb appeal, usable space, and return on investment. And honestly, a lot of homeowners are doing it wrong. They overspend in the wrong places, ignore the features buyers actually care about, and end up with a yard that looks nice but doesn't help when it's time to sell. So let's fix that. Here's what most people don't realize. Buyers don't just see a backyard, they see extra square footage. Homes with defined outdoor living areas tend to sell faster and for more money because buyers emotionally count it as part of the house. Now you might be thinking, isn't a patio enough? Not anymore. A plain concrete slab says, place to put a grill. A designed outdoor space says, second living room. What actually adds value is a defined seating area, some kind of shade, outdoor lighting, and space to eat or relax. It's basically staging, but outside. Easy action step. Even if you can't build a pergola, just define a space. Add an outdoor rug, a seating setup, and some string lights. That structure helps buyers instantly picture themselves living there. This is where it gets interesting. Buyers love beautiful yards. They just don't love taking care of them. There's a big shift toward low-maintenance landscaping, especially with busy lifestyles and water restrictions. Here's the mistake people make. They plant high-maintenance flowers that look amazing for 2 weeks and stressful the other 50. Buyers see work, water bills, dead plants. Instead, value comes from native plants, drought-tolerant landscaping, mulch or decorative gravel, clean, defined planting beds. Think of it like this. A high-maintenance yard is like owning a sports car that's always in the shop. A low-maintenance yard is like a reliable SUV. Not flashy, but everybody wants it. Quick win. Swap small lawn areas for mulch beds, add hardy shrubs, and install edging. Clean and simple always looks more valuable. First impressions in real estate happen in about 8 seconds. Before buyers see your kitchen or floors, they see your front yard, and most people either plant one lonely tree or turn the yard into a plant traffic jam. What adds value is layered landscaping. Just like inside your house has layers, rug, sofa, pillows, your yard should too. The formula is simple. Tall layer, small tree. Middle layer, shrubs. Low layer, flowers or ground cover. That creates a designed look buyers associate with a well-maintained home. And no, it doesn't have to be expensive. Start with one small tree near the entry, a few shrubs along the house, and fresh mulch. Honestly, fresh mulch alone can make a house look 10 grand more cared for. I'm not even kidding. Here's the secret weapon. Landscaping isn't just about daytime. Nighttime curb appeal is seriously underrated. Good lighting makes a home feel more luxurious, safer, and lets people imagine enjoying the space in the evening. It's the difference between nice yard and, wow, imagine sitting out here at night. High-impact spots include pathway lights, uplighting on a tree or the house, and soft lighting in seating areas. Easy start, solar pathway lights. Cheap. 10 minutes to install, huge difference. This one surprises people. You don't need exotic plants, you don't need a waterfall, you don't need a giant garden. You need clean lines. Buyers see sharp edges and think, this home has been professionally maintained. It's like wrinkled clothes versus ironed ones. Same outfit, totally different impression. Define edges between lawn and beds, along walkways and around trees. Stone, brick, or metal edging adds value. But even just recutting edges with a spade helps a lot. Clean edges equals cared for home. Picture two houses for sale on the same street. Same size, same layout. House A has patchy grass and random plants. House B has a seating area, fresh mulch, layered plants, lighting, and crisp edges. House B feels move-in ready. House A feels like a weekend project that never ends. Guess which one gets more offers? Landscaping isn't just decoration, it's value signaling. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with just one upgrade. Add lights. Define a seating area. Refresh mulch and edges. Small changes stack up fast. And the best part? You get to enjoy it now, not just when you sell. So don't wait for someday. Step outside this week, pick one idea, and make a move. And if this helped you see your yard differently, hit like, subscribe for more smart home tips, and tell me in the comments. Which of these 5 upgrades would make the biggest difference in your yard?